Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to zoom in and out effect and crop whatever you want in your video. So when you click here, create new, there's a selection of creating a new movie or a trailer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a movie. For this specific tutorial, I'm gonna show you the zoom in and out effect, also to crop whatever you want in your timeline. So first, let's get a random video from Pixabay. I like to get a random video from there because they have a lot of nice videos and it is free. Some of it is paid, but the free ones is already nice enough for you to download for your YouTube video. So it is really nice for you to check out, and I will put the link down below if you guys interested to download a random video for your next video. So here is Pixabay, and here you can get images, you can get photos, you can get vector graphics, illustrators, or videos. Today we're gonna get videos. For example, nature. Here there are a lot of videos you can see. See there? Let's choose this one for example. You just click free download here. You click show in Finder. In this video, you wanna get it to your iMOVIE. So go back to your iMOVIE. Go on your Finder and drag this video to your timeline. So first, you wanna split where you wanna zoom in and out effect. For example, I split it here. Click split clip. Split again from probably here. Split clip. So you can pick which one you wanna zoom in and out effect. For example, this one, I wanna zoom in the bird. You click on this cropping symbol. Click there, and then you click Ken Burns, and then you click and where do you want, for example, this bird. So it will start on this big screen and end in this small. Screen. So we'll be zooming in and out the bird. Let's play it out. This is the normal video and this is the zoom in and back out. See there? You can also trim if you want to be longer, and the effect you can actually see it more. It is longer frame, so it is more clear. If you click play, see it is slower if you do longer frame. That is how you zoom in and out effect in your video. And next, I'm gonna talk about how you crop your images in your video. Cropping is very important because sometimes the picture you're explaining is not clear, so you have to crop to that small thing and explain so it's more clear to the audience. And here I will show you how to crop whatever in your video. You wanna split which one you wanna crop. So here you split clip. For example, this one you wanna crop. You can also trim it to however long. This one you wanna crop. Click this. Click crop to fill. And here you go to the bird. For example, again, continuing the last effect. So it will go like this. See, this is the zoom in and out effect. Zoom in and then stay here. cropping so it won't look odd. So that is how I do my zoom in and out effect in my video, and cropping what I want and I do not want in my video. I use all that a lot to express more what is important in my video and like zoom in to something that I really is very important. So it is very essential for every one of us, I think, to zoom into that specific picture like this, so people know we're talking about that bird. For example, we're zooming into that bird. Yep. Sometimes when we are explaining, mostly in a tutorial video, we have to zoom into that specific place that is important that we're talking about. But because sometimes people have a hard time understanding when we are not zooming in. People have a hard time understand which one is this YouTuber talking about. So if you zoom in to what you're talking about, it is so much better and much more clear to the listener, much more clear to the audience. And audience really like that information to be delivered to them clearly so they can understand better. For their new video they can start making better ones if you can deliver your information really good to the audience. It is an advantage. So all these little things is very important, and I recommend you guys to use it. So I hope this will help you guys to make your next video better, and please watch the next one. I hope this will help you to I hope this will make your video better, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.